A boring rainy day. Where's our breakfast? They're coming soon. When they're done eating their breakfast, first Melanie was sleeping, and then Pumpkin gave her food. Happened to the same thing as Noah, Apple, and some people that are sleeping. That's so yummy. Oh, wake up, Noah. What do you want now? What is this? I'm wet. What is this? Flood? Oh no. What happened here? There's a flood. Oh no. What do we do now? We gotta escape to go to the higher floors like the other people are. Oh, these kids are so annoying. I'm trying to sleep in peace. Annoying? What happened there? There's a fly. Liar, pants on fire. I wish he would never lie again. But there is help! Fire open. Wrong way. Sorry. Baloney. I'm coming, little dear. Oh, these kids are very annoying. Very annoying. It was that NyQuil? No. Hey. Come on. Take me instead. Nope. I'm telling you. Dad! They won't take me. Bob, take her now. I can go by myself. You say you could take yourself, but now you say you could go to yourself. Oh, come on. Haha, that's like you believe things fell off from your head. Now move out of the way. Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me! Move out the way, Apple. You're just in the way, loser. Daddy, yes, they cracked my bones. That's what you get for not taking. Go. A is blue. A it's blue. Get off of me. Nope. The whole family goes upstairs. I mean, on the apple. Stop before I tell. Oh, your leaf thing fell. I don't care. It needs to get deleted. I don't want your leaf thing to be here. That's rude to say. But I don't care. D on 0. Bro, my jump. Time to grab my phone. Thank you, Dad, for the phone. You're welcome. I'm trying to get my phone, but I can't. I'm so lazy. Could somebody get it for me? Oh, no. Okay. Doom scrolling. Just scrolling. Wow. Wow, I want to try that too. But I'm so full. Is that tteokbokki? I want to eat this so bad. Ooh, black noodles. I should tell my dad. Dad? What now? Can we go to the convenience store to buy buldak? Buldak. No, it's raining and there's a flood. I'll search up and meet what a flood means. A flood means that there's a tsunami. A flood means that there's water on the ground that's rising like a flash flood. Oh no, this can't be happening. This is my first day being a pup. I can go outside and go play. Yay! Can't wait to go outside and go play. So excited. So excited. Bro, forget that it's raining. I deleted the floor because why not? I'm not trying to ruin this house. But it's my own stuff. Ah! Can't wait to go outside in the rain. I mean, in the sunny. Wow, it looks sunny out here. What melanie sees wasn't what other people see. Bro, it's raining. Oh, but I'm still gonna play. No, Melanie, watch your steps. No, you're gonna get sick. This is fun. This is fun. My dad never allows me to go outside, but I did anyways. This is fun. Never gonna look at it. That means the heavy snow. I'm gonna go check the weather. Your weather's header. It's -3. Ow. Oh. And at 6 o'clock, it's gonna rain 80. Right now, 6 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay. Rain?
Go away.
What do you mean it's gonna rain?
I didn't say that. I said snow.
You said rain. Watch your language.
Watch your language with your poo-poo heads out.
Watch your language because poo-poo head is a bad word.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
How is that a bad word?
It's inappropriate.
Okay. I'm on 2 accounts.
Yeah! Now! Fire! What do you... For the punishment, you're staying in the bathroom for 10 minutes. As your punishment. No phones, no stops. Gonna go sleep. Make sure you don't steal the thing. Sleeping on your bed. Make sure you just don't steal anything. Gotta find a way. I gotta find a way to get my phone. Wait, I know. Since Daddy's sleeping, I can steal my phone. Where is my phone? My phone's on the tape, on the ground. He trashed it. Can't believe he would have done that. Okay. Nightmares. I've been watching a nightmare movie, even though my dad don't let me. But I'm still gonna watch it. Nothing bad can go wrong. Oh no, I'm right next to my dad. Last year, my taxes pooped it. I'm going to bed now. Make sure you don't bring your phone in the bathroom. Because if you do, then you will be staying outside in the rain. And I'm going to tie you up around. Okay. I'ma go. Go. Now I'ma go in the bathtub. Melon Playground should fix this glitch. First, whenever you fall on the ground, then you don't crack your bones or get hurt. What it is. Yay! My luckiest day ever. Actually, oh my god. What you crying? Oh my god. Oh Lord. There's a tornado watch in Sandra, there's a tornado watch in Philadelphia. Sandra, there's a tornado watch in Philadelphia.
Ooh, not my phone.
Wow, so cool. Even though my dad's sleeping, I can watch it all day. Wait, why do I hear something? Is my dad speaking? I don't hear him, but I'm still gonna watch. Wait, is there a ghost in the bathroom? Bro's pretending that there's a ghost. I don't care. But I don't want to get tied around. So I have a plan. First, I gotta hide my phone somewhere that Dad doesn't know. And second, when he's gone, then I get back my phone. He's never gonna get it. Wait, I'm gonna go check the bathroom. Oh no, he's coming. I better hide my phone. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna. Now I'm gonna check if she's on the bathroom. Wait a minute. Where's her phone? It was just here a second ago. But now it's gone. Where did he put it? This phone? Oh, that's where it is from. But why do I hear noises? Melanie, what? Are you not playing games? I'm not. I'm just sitting here and doing nothing. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay, I will be right back. Make sure don't play on your phone, okay? Okay. I'm never gonna listen to him. I'm still gonna play on my phone. Phone is important. Phone is important to me. Not homework. Phones. Homeworks are important for me. Wait a minute. Something's fishy. So this is a fake phone. It cannot turn on. So that means Melanie used her phone. He stole my phone while I was sleeping. Oh no, Daddy's coming. I better hurry up. Tom, I knew it, Melanie. You was on your phone. How did you saw it? I was behind you. Uh-oh. Get ready. Melanie's cooked. We'll be fine, okay? Okay. This is the smallest child. He's 5, 7, 13, 16, 19, 35. Oh yeah. And I placed a chair outside. It's for you getting tied outside. Tied on a chair. So get prepared. And you're gonna be sitting out until it's nighttime. Until the rain stops, which is tomorrow. So good luck. Good luck staying outside. And I'm gonna tie you up. Melon Logic, tie Melaning up on her chair. Okay. No. How did he call me? He wasn't behind me. But now he said he was behind me. He must be lying. Wait, no, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Okay. Trapped. Oh my God. It's raining like crazy. I even want to be outside because the lightning just struck. It almost struck me. I'm scared. It's okay. It's just lightning. It's lightning. That lightning sometimes struck. Sometimes lightning struck. The rain is never gonna stop. It's gonna stop until Tuesday. Today's Sunday, but and it's nighttime. Are we safe? Yeah, and what's... Yeah, we're safe. We're kind of safe. But let's watch the lightning. Yeah, good. But I'm scared. It's okay. Nothing to be scared of. Lightning. Oopsies! Lightning struck Melanie. That's funny. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna go healing her. I just filled my tank 6 with toilet. Oh my god. The lightning just struck me. I was streaming that it was struck me. But it did. I wasn't lying. But I better hurry up. Before I better go to where Apple and Melon and Pumpkin was. Why is your dress all black? Bet you got struck by lightning. No, I didn't. I just got hurt by Dad. Liar, liar, pants on fire. I wish you would not lie again. Fine, because I got struck by lightning. I was staying here for the whole time because you're scared to get a whooping from Dad. Where is Melanie? Come back right now. The lightning almost struck Dad. Look. It's Jack. Daddy. Dad, you're okay? Let's go clean your shirt and don't do that ever again. 10 minutes. That was 15. Sorry if I didn't remind you. Wait, where is Melon?
Yes, Papa.
I like scrolling. Bit scrolling up. Dad, where are you, Dad? Oh no, my phone is not reporting to me. Get away, phone. Dad! I better get looking for Dad. Are you here? Are you here? Answer me. Are you here? Here? We are here. We're taking shelter from this thunderstorm. Open the door, please. Y'all didn't have flashlights. Well, at least we have a candle. We can see perfectly if we had a candle. And we need flashlights. I got only one flashlight. But where are other flashlights? Then I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them when it stops raining, which is Tuesday. Disable collisions. Invisible.
Let's get the vents long.
Are we living here until the thunderstorm stops, but it will continue raining? Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, I guess. Oh my God. I hope your beds didn't get ruined. Are you gonna sleep here? No. Yes, we're sleeping here. I'm so sorry. We couldn't sleep here because what if the lightning struck your bed? Woo! I wonder what is we can't see in the dark.
Oh wow.
Then let's go shopping. But what if the lightning strikes? Then the rain would get heavier. So we'll be storm chasers, okay? Yes. I didn't mean to make pumpkin see yes. Let's go. Apple and melon and pumpkin. Y'all stay here. And me and Melon and Melanie will come. Y'all stay here, okay? Making them disappear. I wonder what they're doing. I don't know. Yeah, we don't know yet. I'm kind of scared what if they get struck by lightning. I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. Me too. I'm scared. I'm scared. I want to use the bath, but it's raining. Go if it's raining. But Pumpkin tells Apple what happens if you use a bathroom during a thunderstorm. I'm sorry for you, but you can go quickly when she's done. Ooh.